Class 159 means 29 digital transducers. See, in analog transducers, the output will be analog, means continuously varying according to the input. But in case of digital transducers, we will get output as discrete, means in steps or in different levels. It will be like frequency or digitally coded or some binary output. So a digital transducer can be directly a digital one. For example, say shaft encoder, optical encoder, there you get digital code directly, or sometimes you have analog transducer which is then given to ADC, which gives digital output. So digital transducer can be directly a digital one or an analog transducer plus an ADC. Because today, since computers are used, microprocessors and controllers are used for controlling, measurement, research, everything, they need digital output from transducers. Hence, digital transducers are necessary. These are the examples of digital transducers directly. Okay, these are you can get directly. In Hall effect, you can have analog as well as digital. You can have sudden variation like digital, or also you can get analog also if there is smooth variation. Okay, thermoelectric also, photoelectric is also a digital transducer. Interruption and permission to flow of light. And this is example of active transducers. No need. See, these things are there. And also slightly do some checking. There may be some errors here. Okay, I have written this myself to some extent. Anyhow, this is not necessary.